Buddy, my name is Robert and this is my son Jesse, and we are here because we want to talk about something else. I'm usually talking about my 2017 Toyota Tacoma, which I have quite a hard shell taco, but not today. Today we're talking about when you have a phone, especially an iPhone, what happens if you break the glass? What happens if your son right here breaks the glass? I want to show you where we got our screen replacement. Where did we get it from, Jesse?
It's a SpiDoc.
So we got it from SpiDoc, www.spidermall.com, to get one of these screens. And they have it for how many models of Apples? A few of them, right?
A few models.
What was it? 7?
It was like an iPhone X, XS, and XS Max as well.
A 7 also?
Yeah, and a 7
and
as well.
And 8. So what we're doing is we already cleaned up our broken phone. And this is a iPhone 8. So we're just going to show you how easy it is, or he's actually going to show you how easy it is to put it back in to replace. What I heard about this company is that this screen, they do have premium levels, and they do have like a standard quality one. Jonah's making noise. But the cool thing is that there is a 180-day warranty on it. So that's really good, right, Jesse?
Yeah, it's 180 day warranty, that says.
You're Joanna talking. Joanna, you gotta be quiet. There she is. Joanna. Shh. There's Joanna. Oh, she broke it. What did you do? Why are you doing stuff? Because you're pushing stuff.
I'm just showing the screen. See? It's the iPhone 8.
Joanna, here. Joanna, here. Joanna. Here you go. Go. Oh, okay. Bye. Okay.
I'm just showing the screen.
So with the screen, I also found out that they actually buy screens, broken screens. So your digital... What? You know what happened? Because you pushed something.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm pushing it too much.
Joanna, hold it from the sides. There you go. Bye, Joanna.
Yeah.
Anyways. What I think it's cool is that not only it's a 180-day warranty, that they actually buy your broken screens. So if your LCD itself or the digitizer is okay, they actually give you credit for it. So that's really good. So let's go ahead and Jesse's going to show you how to put this back together. Jesse, go ahead and show him what to do.
Okay, so we're going to take the screen out. We're going to peel off the screen.
We'll do that last, actually.
Actually,
you want to do the other side.
We're going to put the...
that way you won't get your fingers
Actually,
all
we need to take off all the plastics here. Maybe we'll put that on. We take a cable and just snap it in all the way. Until here it's snappy. I'm just making sure if it's aligned to snap it.
Did you get it?
Yeah, it's in all the way. And after this, we have another one.
So this phone's already been cleaned out with the broken digitizer.
And that's this screen. Other cable's connected. And there we go. It's on.
And then what about the home key thing?
I think we have to remove the plastic out there first.
First? Okay. So put that down. But you have to be careful not to flip it too much, huh?
Do I take out the plastic?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
Yeah, I need to take it out. Careful, that wire.
You sure that plastic comes out? Oh, it does.
Oh, it does. Oh, it does. Now we could turn it out. Now we could turn it out and remove the screen.
So now what's next?
Remove the wires carefully from the screen. Remove the wires really careful. Don't pinch the... There! And I need this tab here to be removed. There we go.
Okay.
So we're going to remove our plastic. So cops, we're going to remove the plastic. And now we're going to attach our home button here. We're going to attach the home button that secures the iPhone 8. We're going to align the home button. There, the home button's there. After this, we might need to clip the home button there. Clip it. And there we go.
So it's just 3 things?
It's just 3 things there.
Okay, so what's the hardest part? Putting it back in straight?
Putting it back in straight. There. It's. Plug it in. And it's gonna work. Ah, it's working.
It's working. Wow, that was quick. How'd you do it so easily, dude?
Because I had to unplug it and plug it in.
That's how easy it is when you get to this stuff?
Yeah.
So you just go to Spidermall.com and grab your SpiDocs. Alright guys, thanks for watching. What do you say, Jesse?
Peace out.
Peace out, guys.
Power's on, screen's on, touch it, and now it's working.
Wow, it works.
It's working, Touch ID.
Awesome job.